Okay, I'm back after I changed my shoes. Okay, this is their water. So this has water in it. Can't see, but they put their mouth and it just comes out. Come on, show. I've seen pigs. I've seen one of them do it before. So yeah. Hey, stop. Ow, stop biting me. Oh, look, it's doing it. Hey. Drink the water. Stop biting. They just bite on it and it comes right out. Dude. Oh, I should have got my sheep holder. Should have got my holder. These are the pigs. They're making mud. Look, this is the mud dig hole that they made. This is their inside house. We used to have water right here, but that's why there's a hook. But they kept spilling it, so we got this thing now. Hi. This is how it works. Just push, or they would bite on it. Hey. Do the thing. I need one of them to do the thing. You know, I pet their head and they stick their nose up. Can you do the thing? Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's not really the thing. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. They're kind of just like muddy now. And they rub their butt on the tree. Do the thing. Oh, yeah, he's doing the thing. Okay, these are my pigs. I'll show you. Oh, look, he's doing the dig. They dig with their little noses. Okay, bye, pigs. I'm gonna show you my sheep. Oh my god, look at that bird. Dude, what is that? Oh, it's so zoomed. What the heck is that bird? What is that? Where'd it go? That is the coolest bird. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. That's literally the coolest bird I've actually ever seen in my whole life. Okay, we're going to look at the turkeys. There's bugs everywhere. The turkeys and the sheep. So yeah, I have a video of me halter training, but I didn't bring my halter, so can't do that right now. Okay, we're going to the turkeys right now. Okay, turkeys in the turkey tractor from last year. Okay, now we're going to the sheep. I'm not going to stay in there that long. Normally, oh, there's a big spider web. Normally, I come here to halter train. Yeah, they're kind of, not tame yet. So, yeah, that's the good one right there. That's the good one to halter train. Okay, I'm just going to leave it. Oh, okay, I gotta go. They ate all their hay, so I gotta fill this up. Okay, I'm just gonna take this with me. So yeah, I gotta go I'm taking this with me to fill it up. Okay, yeah, bye.